Yo, good day everyone. It's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to this YouTube video. Happy New Year to everyone. I know it's been a while, but yeah, we're here. Back. Okay. So, basically, a lot has been happening in the market. I was not that far away from the market, just that I've not been making videos consistently. But yeah, update has been dropping on our telegram group channel. Okay, so if you actually want to join, do well to click on the link on the video description below to join. You understand? So I do communicate there a lot. For YouTube videos, I haven't had that much time to make videos, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so basically, this is a chart on Euro USD. Remember, this is actually a new month, a new year. So there are so many sentiments and so many things ongoing in the market. So basically, I'll be doing my analysis right here and actually showing you guys, okay, what I'm looking out for on Euro USD. You understand? And probably will check the XY and other pairs. Okay. So Euro USD on the monthly time frame. From this chart work, you might not actually see much, but let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Okay. So zooming in here, you can check the price action of the past year. You can see as Euro USD we are actually like it was actually what bullish, right? It was actually bullish after this dump since it has actually been on a downtrend, and this is a consolidation on the monthly time frame. Okay, remember this is actually what the monthly what time frame. You understand? Okay, let me so this is the bullish move consolidation. Okay, so basically the market actually let's say, yeah, they are basically what you actually what expect from the market, or like see in the market. Let's say for example from here to here, you actually expect what an expansion. The market will see an expansion. We actually see what a consolidation. Okay, we also see what a retracement. Okay, the market actually what expands, as you can see, consolidates, it can retrace, then expand again. Yeah, so at this point we have seen what Euro USD being an uptrend. This is just a physical overview. I have not like gone in depth or looking. This is just a plain price action. Okay, plain price action of Euro USD. Remember, this only cannot actually be put in place to make a trading decision. You understand? This cannot actually be the only reason why you decide to take a trade on Euro USD. But looking over here, you can see that price actually mitigated this. Yeah, as you can see, there's actually a fair value gap here. So price mitigated it here, broke, tried to break higher into this monthly order block. Okay, I'll be highlighting that. So this other block is actually serving as a what, a very what, strong range. Some people say strong resistance. Okay, for Euro USD. You understand? So and now there is also a fair value gap lower here. This inefficient, but once you go lower, you might actually see that price actually what mitigated it. You understand? Like the gap was actually being filled and everything. But from the monthly view also, you understand, you tend to like see it clearly. But overall, this buy side liquidity on the monthly should be where your focus is. You understand? But you don't really expect price to move, like let's say just straight to take it out. You understand? Price will not really actually like move from where it is now to take this out, because now if you decide to like calculate this, you see how many pip this is. Let's calculate. Okay, uh from here to here, this is actually what around 1400 pips. It's actually massive. This can actually even take a year to play out, or 2 years actually. So but for now, let's break down to the what weekly time frame. So basically this is what we are seeing on the monthly. Okay, so we move down to the weekly time frame. Okay, moving down to the weekly time frame, you can see price has actually been on in a what uptrend. Price actually came down here to sweep this sell side liquidity. Okay, and you can see this gap. You can now remodify it. You can modify it again to the weekly. You understand? You can modify it again from your view now, because as you go lower, you what you modify. Okay, right here, modifying this, you can see that this is actually a gap here, which was actually what filled. So I can actually decide to modify this again so that it will make more sense, right? So yeah, so right here you can see that price has been in an what uptrend on the weekly time frame, and this is a cool price action. So you are seeing higher highs and lower lows. Okay, so this is a higher high, then price made what a lower low, then a higher high, breaking structure, tapping into this fair value gap, mitigating it. Then from here it dropped. Okay, I believe I took part in this drop. I took some trade during this period, right? So the drop actually moved down to here. Okay, as you can see. So price actually, after forming this trend, I'll just keep putting these lines for visual purposes. It's not like it's really necessary, or I'm not saying it, but like just putting it for the purpose of this way. It doesn't mean anything actually, but this is just what is entailing. So as you can see, there is this uptrend. Okay, while there is this sell side liquidity and this buy side liquidity. So assuming this, if this was on a replay mode here and this hasn't played out, your main focus will be what? This low and this high. Now once price actually takes out buy side liquidity, you should what? Anticipate the what? Sell side liquidity. So which is what unfolded here, and I know I took part in this sell. It was around 300 to 400 pips. Let me recheck again. Let's just say from this side to, okay, it was actually more. This is around 700 pip. Okay, yeah. So from here you now see price retrace, tapping into here again. But now there's actually a break of structure right here. You understand? There's a break of structure right here. And this break of structure I'm seeing on the weekly, when I move to the daily, it will be more clearer. Okay. So with this break of structure lower, it's actually giving me what? A bearish. I'm actually now bearish on the weekly time frame. So me moving down to the daily is now to modify clearly to see where my good entry for sale lies. Okay. So currently now I'm bearish on Euro USD. Remember, I'm coming from the higher time frame. You understand? I'm coming from the higher time frame. I do not like just open from the lower time frame to do my analysis. From the higher time frame, it gives you what? More clarity. You understand? It gives you more clarity to know what you're looking out for, and understand better. So yeah, I will be zooming, but I just want to make this clear. So this was those range, this was a move, price taking out this sell side liquidity, now here mitigating. If I should zoom now, I believe there will be a, let me zoom. Okay, I can actually decide to remove all these, but for visual purposes, I mean these boxes. Yeah, so here you can see price actually tapped in. I believe this high now has not actually been what? This buy side liquidity. So on the daily now, let's do this. On the daily, this is the buy side liquidity. This is the sell side liquidity. Remember, I'm actually what? A bit bearish currently. This is where price is. So now, in most cases, people use the 50% premium and discount array to understand what they are actually going to do, if they are going to buy or sell. You understand? So me drawing out this box. So basically, as you can see, price is at here. Price is actually in what? Premium. Okay, price is actually what? In premium. As you can see, this is up here. This is actually 50%, this premium, this discount. So basically, in this type of market condition, if you want to look for buys, okay, this is basically on the daily time frame. Don't forget, it's ideal you what? Buy this at the discount, that is right here, then sell at the premium. So once price actually here at this range, you selling at the premium and taking a stop loss of putting your stop loss shouldn't actually pass here. But most times, guys, you can see a turtle soup where price actually just run up, take out these highs, then start selling. Let me show you what I mean. So price literally gonna move. Where's my so this framework actually plays out a lot. So many people think it's breaking out to the upside here. Then you now see price actually what? Coming down. Remember, it's not gonna actually just come down straight like this anyway. You can just see those higher, lower low and lower highs and everything. But this is the ultimate goal actually. So basically, we are still in an like currently intraday now. This is an uptrend. This is actually an uptrend, and there is a break of structure right here. So price broke this structure now. Okay, moving on, retrace to this fair value gap right here, this imbalance right here, mitigating it as you can see, and is actually pushing higher. So yes, it is a framing does not actually entail that you literally start. Remember, this is on the daily time frame. This is not a lower time frame. You start selling here. So this is actually the framework I'm looking out for on Euro USD. So I want to see 1.12700 big figure taken out. You understand? So once price actually takes out these highs, then I'll be looking for a sell. But for now, currently you can see price came down, broke structure lower again. So remember, it can be somehow complicated if you do not really understand more or many much I'm talking about, because me looking at this right here, all I'm saying is not actually what I'm saying. You understand? There are some other factors. Remember, this is actually still January, okay? This is actually still the beginning of the year. So markets tend to be that slower and everything. So most times all this thing I'm saying now currently is not even now it will start playing out. Okay. So but yeah, that is actually that. But I'll be discussing more and explaining many other stuff on our Telegram channel. So do well to join. The link will be at the video description below. Okay. And I'll be doing more content. And if you have any question or anything, do well to like ask me on the comment section below.